knows a little bit about the Mauritius ecosystem because it's her first time in Mauritius. Qualitative, interactive gathering.
I've had some fantastic conversations this evening already. Like, my mind is just lighting up with all the opportunities, all the exciting innovations, the exciting work that is being done to support people at different stages, you know, from startups to, you know, the grassroots entrepreneurs and, you know, supporting talent and women. There's just so much work that is being done, and this is such a powerful gathering, and I'm honored, you know, to be here. We are a network organization of innovation hubs, which are incubators, accelerators, co-working spaces, creative spaces that all support entrepreneurs across the African continent, right? We started out with 5 members across 4 African countries, and now, this was in 2011, and now we're over 400 members across 53 African countries. Let's come together and support each other. Let's share knowledge, let's share resources and the likes, right?
What would be your advice for us to move forward?
Hinders our ability to get more MVPs out there, more potential startups coming up.
Yes, I mean, brilliant. Thank you very much. It actually extended our life.